Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering down and unplugging everything to avoid shorts. You need a clean, well-lit surface and the listed tools. This prevents accidental damage. First, check the connector shell for a loose crimp and the cable for bends that indicate internal breakage. Use a magnifier to find frayed wires or corrosion so you know whether you'll repair pins, reterminate, or replace the connector. Once done, organize screws and tiny parts so you won't lose them mid-repair. You carefully open the connector shell using the appropriate small driver or pry tool. Be gentle to preserve clips because reassembly depends on them. Then you probe each conductor with a multimeter to find where signal or power stops. That shows whether the break is in the wire, solder joint, or pin. If a pad or pin is corroded, you'll need to clean or replace it. If the inner braided shield is broken, plan to reterminate the shield to maintain electrical performance. Make sure to document you trim to undamaged wire, strip precisely, tin each conductor, and solder to the correct pads. This ensures solid electrical contact and prevents shorts. Once soldered, apply heat shrink over individual joints and a larger sleeve for strain relief because mechanical stress causes most failures. Reassemble the shell exactly as noted earlier and tighten screws or snap clips. Finally, test continuity. Then plug into a low-power device to confirm charging and data. If intermittent,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.